Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Lego sliding door. We will go through the essential steps to construct a fully functional and smooth operating door for your builds. This guide will help you understand the core mechanics, allowing you to integrate this cool feature into many different Lego projects. Get ready to add a dynamic element to your next creation with just a few simple pieces and clever techniques. To begin, you will need some specific Lego pieces. Look for 2 smooth tiles, ideally 1x4 or longer, which will form your sliding track. Also, gather several 1x2 bricks that feature a groove. These are crucial for the door panel itself. Don't forget a selection of standard plates and bricks to construct the surrounding frame and the door panel. These parts are the foundation for a successful sliding mechanism. Now, let's assemble the sliding mechanism. First, construct your track by laying down 2 parallel rows of bricks, leaving a narrow gap in between. This gap is where your door will slide. Next, attach the grooved bricks to the bottom or top edge of your door panel. Carefully insert the door panel into the track, ensuring it moves smoothly without catching. Test it several times to confirm a fluid, unhindered motion. To truly elevate your sliding door, consider adding some personal touches. A small 1x1 round plate can serve as a perfect handle, or you can add other decorative elements. Think about how this door fits into a larger build, perhaps a house or a spaceship. For an advanced touch, explore motorizing your door using a small Lego motor and a few gears, allowing for automated opening and closing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.